Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I lost a trade that I just took now. It was not a good one. It wasn't a good trade, honestly. Yeah, so I anticipated a buy, but it turned out to be a consolidation that eventually took me out. So yeah, let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how it went down. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So again, we are doing this trade. We are taking a buy now out of this trade. It has just passed my trend line, broken out of my trend line. The trade is now broken out of my trend line on this green candlestick right here. It went up, bent back down, retested this area right here and bounced off of it. So that is a clear sign of a reversal candlestick right there. And we can put in a buy and see how the market reacts to our buy. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. Let's get into this trade and make this buy happen. So it is a 50-50% chance, you guys. We are not sure. But yes, it did break out and it did bounce off of the candlestick. It did close above the trend line. It bounced off of the trend line and it did close above the trend line. So there is a chance that it can definitely go up and turn into an uptrend. But only time will tell. Let's take the chance and put in our trade. There we go. I did a market entry. I wanted to do a buy stop instead. So I did close them. Right now, here's my instant market entry, my instant entries. But I did take them out as well because I want to make a buy stop entry for you guys. So let's put in our buy stops. So for this trade, we're going to use buy stops. And here is my entry right there for my buy stop, for my stop loss. Okay, we'll figure the stop loss out tomorrow, next time, tomorrow. Okay, let me put in another one. Another buy stop in the same place. Two buy stops. All right. Now what else are we looking for? We're gonna put in our stop loss right below that. That is around 300, our stop loss, which is a good amount. It's usually what we risk each and every single time. Where's the other one? Okay, I put them too close. Now I can't even access it. It's bad. Okay, there we no, that's not the one. This is the one. I'm gonna put our stop loss the same place there to make it around about 300. Done. Okay, guys, so we've put in our buy stops. The market will definitely go past this mark or eventually not touch this mark, and this buy stop won't get activated. So we'll see how the market reacts to that. Let's just quickly go into the history, you guys. Look at this beautiful history right here. We have a beautiful history. We have been winning hard. These ones are just entered incorrectly, the ones that I read, the -$6 and the -$6. I entered incorrectly. I wanted to do a buy stop, but then I made an instant entry. So I wanted to take that out. I wanted to do things properly for you guys so that I show you exactly what I do on trades that I feel like I don't have 100% surety that they will get activated or they are going to the right direction. I use them in a buy stop or a sell stop. But on trades that I am definitely sure and I'm like, oh, the trade is leaving me, I put in an instant market order. So this is how the trade is going so far, you guys. It's going pretty good. Here's the amount we are on right now. So far so good. Could have been better if we had entered this trade at the bottom here next to the stop loss. Could have been a lot better. But yeah, so far so good. We'll come back later and check out everything. Guys, we are in deep loss. Oh my goodness. It is 7 p.m. right now. It is 7 p.m. The market is dropping. I thought this was going to go up based on the market, not the market structure shift, but the trend line breakout and retest. I mean, this was a powerful breakout and retest. My goodness, guys, we are taking a loss. We're taking an L today. My analysis was definitely wrong. Because right now I'm realizing that there's not even a market structure shift. Oh, God. Hey, there's no market structure shift here on the 4-hour chart. There's nothing. I've added also the view up divergence flask. I heard this also is very helpful when it comes to trading. And hey guys, it broke out of my trend line, right? After breaking out, it had this pull up. Where's that thing? There's the pull up right there. It went whoop. Reversal candlestick on me, and I was like, yes. Now we are pulling up. There is no way we are pulling up right now. And unfortunately, now it's going down again. And when I take a look at it, it was supposed to break at least each of these levels to be a market structure shift, and then I could put in a buy. But in my mind, I'm like, no, I'm using this as a trend line breakout. Now, this trend line breakout did not work out. It just didn't work out. It touched the trend line 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 time touched trend line, broke out, and now I think it's going back and it's gonna just continue going down. Or it's gonna reach this mark. I even closed the trade. I took a 1-to-1. I closed the trade. I thought this was it, but it wasn't. The market was still gonna continue going up, going down. The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. I'm at a loss. I don't even think it's gonna change being a loss because the black chart, the black line here, the black trend line is a daily chart trend line. Let's go to the daily chart. Why didn't I do these things before I entered? Hey, my goodness. Trading. Oh, Lord. No, 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 no. Can you see this? Here's how it looks on the daily chart. So I don't know what is what here. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't. I don't. Hey, yeah. Okay. I don't know, guys. I will not lie to you guys and say right now I know exactly what's going on or where I'm going, which direction we're going. It looks like this might just be a pull up, might just continue going to the upside, or it might just go down and continue and hit my stop loss and just go down and be a sell. But these candlesticks also are, momentum is finishing.
on this daily candlesticks. Can you see that the daily candlesticks are now having a much smaller body? The body is much smaller on the daily candlesticks for the sell. So maybe the momentum is definitely changing and the market is reversing up. I don't know. According to my knowledge, I placed a buy, but right now I cannot tell you guys exactly what's going to happen because I'm confused. I trading is hard. Whoever said it was easy lied. This thing's not easy. It's hard. But okay, we're gonna still maintain our position. If we're gonna get taken out, we're gonna get taken out by a stop loss being hit. We are not gonna get out. Because on this one, there's a 50-50% chance. Maybe it's trying to scare us into going out of this trade and it will just go up. Or it is really trying to tell us that no, you are wrong. I am going down. Trying to tell us that no, we are wrong. I don't know, guys. This is just a rant. Okay, let's wait. We'll give this until tomorrow. It's already 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. right now. Going to have dinner. And I'm going to sleep. And I'll see what happens tomorrow. Talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Yes. Hi, guys. So that trade took me out, unfortunately. So this is how the market looks on GBPUSD right now. We got in because we entered a buy because we saw a trend line being broken to the upside. We didn't enter on this breakout. We waited and we entered on this candlestick right here. Can you see this? This is a reversal candlestick. The pressure was pushing towards the upside. So that gave us confirmation that, hey, this is a buy. The trade went on losing, winning, losing. It didn't actually win much, but it did lose most of the time and eventually took me out with this candlestick right here. With my analysis right now, based on this candlestick, this is the third touch of this trend line, and it is a reversal candlestick and undecider. So, what I can do now is enter a sell on this trend line and see how far it can take me. So, I'm going to enter a sell right now um, because the buy took me out. So, I'm going to enter a sell. Okay, let's go do that. So guys, I've now placed two of my sell order here. Yeah. So let's see how this trade goes. So guys, now the trades are all in profit, as you guys can see here. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a Thursday and the market is going cuckoo on me. So I put in a sell. I had some few losses. Hey guys, I'm getting out of this trade. The way I see it, I feel like the market is about to reverse from here because now it has made one, two. So this is more like a double bottom. I'm going to show you guys a line chart right now. So looking at this line chart, this is definitely a double bottom. So with this double bottom, the market is definitely going to reverse. And we are going to the upside, maybe up until the top, the peak of the market. We've been in consolidation. I've been in and out of the market, in which during consolidation, honestly, it is best to just don't include yourself in the market. So I'm about to close my trade and I just wanted to make showing you guys that, yeah, I'm getting out of this trade. So sad. But yes, I am getting out of this trade. There's been a lot of undeciders. Honestly, there's been a lot of undeciders. So let me go so you guys see at where I am. This is like minus 12. I'm getting out now so that I make a much more informed decision as to what is happening. Look at that. Now you see a little bit of profit. You're like, yeah, maybe it's going my direction. Maybe. Guys, I don't know what is going on. I honestly cannot tell you guys exactly what is going to happen in the market because right now I'm just confused. It's been a very, very tiring couple of days. Been looking at the charts. I don't have an exact idea of where the market is definitely going, but I am gonna close. Why is it minus seven? Oh, it's because of the spreads. So it's more because of the spreads, you guys. I am closing. My loss is really minimal. The only time I took a serious loss was when I took a buy. So my losses are really minimal, but I'm not it is not advisable to take a trade when you really honestly in a consolidation. Like just avoid the market altogether. So this my mistake at this point in time. My mistake is that I took a trade during consolidation, but honestly, you won't know exactly if it is a consolidation or not. Another mistake that I did make was not checking the news, whether it is a news week, what was coming up, and there was a lot of news. There's a lot of high impact news this week, so that's another thing that caught me off guard. Um, yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, it wasn't a successful week for me. Maybe I'll find an entry later on today or later on tomorrow. I don't know. If not, until next week, until I do another week and another analysis for you guys, a weekly analysis. And yeah, have yourselves a beautiful weekend and see you guys next week, if not this week. All right, bye.